All right. Day 10, I believe. I predict it will not be as eventful as yesterday's. That was quite a bit. I mean, it wasn't hard or anything, but it was quite a lot. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. There's a lot in here. Looks like I'm right. Because they're bigger pieces. Here's the little vignette. We're working on that section. Three steps. Oh man. However, great. Okay, so these three have to be forced together. Great. Oh, but look at that. It went right in, so no biggie. I guess it fits better than whatever I was doing yesterday. I don't even know if I'm doing this in the right order. It's the first thing I'm seeing, so it's what I'm doing. And it seems to be easy as pie. Okay, there we go. And it goes. Oh, just like that. And then these go on here. And these go on here. So there it is. There's today's project. See you tomorrow.